In the skies above India, a quiet revolution is unfolding. As aircraft systems grow more digital and threats more complex, aviation forensics is no longer just about wreckage. It's about code, cyber threat, and cutting-edge investigation. Welcome to the new frontier in Indian aviation safety. Traditionally, aviation forensics focused on physical wreckage, metal shards, impact zones, and black box data. But in India, the field is rapidly expanding. With pioneers like the National Forensic Sciences University and partnerships with GMR Airports, India is building a new generation of forensic responders, armed with both engineering knowledge and digital acumen. Modern aircrafts are data hubs, transmitting telemetry, performance stats, even passenger data. But with this convenience comes risk, from maintenance of ports to onboard Wi-Fi. Vulnerabilities abound. India, like the world, has seen cyber incidents, from data breaches to ransomware, and is building forensic defenses for a new era of aviation. April 2025 marked a milestone. India opened its first black box decoding facility in Delhi. No more delays from sending data overseas. The lab complies with ICAO standards and cracked its first case, AI-171, in record time. It's a technological leap, ensuring timely, transparent investigations. On June 12, 2025, tragedy struck. Air India Flight 171, a Boeing 787 Dreamliner, crashed less than a minute after takeoff in Ahmedabad. All 241 on board perished, along with 19 on the ground. It was India's worst aviation disaster in decades, and the first fatal Dreamliner crash globally. Behind every investigation is a legal backbone. From the Aircraft Act of 1934 to the Montreal Convention, India's regulatory machinery kicked into motion. Families received early compensation. Investigators worked under strict chain of custody rules. Transparency, international law, and India's growing legal clarity all shaped the process. India's AAIB led the investigation, but experts argue, should it be more independent? Globally, bodies like the NTSB operate free from political oversight. In India, the AAIB still reports to the Civil Aviation Ministry, raising questions of transparency, especially when state-run airlines are involved. Could someone take control of an aircraft remotely? It sounds like science fiction, but experts warn it's not impossible. With increasing digital interconnectivity, threat vectors are growing. Though safeguards exist, cyber forensics is now a standard component of every major crash investigation. Justice doesn't end with investigations. Victims' families can pursue compensation under the Montreal Convention with strict and unlimited liability provisions. In India, insurers are mandated to offer early payments, but international courts often offer higher compensation. Complex cross-border lawsuits are increasingly common. Flight AI-171 may mark a turning point. Experts are calling for bold reforms: statutory independence for the AAIB, real-time audit systems, anonymous whistleblower portals, and AI-driven risk prediction. If adopted, these could position India as a global leader in aviation safety. Every crash holds a lesson, and every lesson learned saves lives. In aviation, progress is often written in tragedy, but with the right reforms, India's skies can become safer for everyone who dares to fly.